So this is what I'm looking at today. But before I do that, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video if you are getting value from what I'm doing. And I want you guys to know that this strategy is working. This is type of strategy that works all time. I've been using this strategy for long. I've been doing my analysis every morning. And if you are following my video, you will see that this strategy has been working out, and the win rate of this strategy is up to 50%. And I'm targeting minimum of 1 to 2. So whatever I'm targeting will be from 1 to 2 upward. And when your strategy works, has 50% win rate, and you are targeting nothing less than 1 to 2, definitely you will be in profit. All you have to do is to respect the strategy and respect the trading plan and follow your trading plan. There is no way you will not be profitable with that strategy that is giving you has 1 to 2, as in has 50% win rate. So this strategy has 50% win rate. So if you are listening to me, if you are watching, just know that this strategy works. It's left for you to learn or to pay attention to the strategy, to follow the rules and regulation. Yeah, I mean rules and regulation, because every strategy has their own rules and regulation, and you have to respect it if you want to make money with it. So let me recap what happened on Friday, the analysis I did on Friday, and then I will show you guys what I'm looking at today. So when I was doing my analysis on Friday, gold were somewhere here. This, I think, were around 6 or 7, this particular candle, but I know that this particular candle was on when I was doing my analysis, and I told you guys that, okay, it was around 6. So I told you guys that if gold broke this and come back to it, yeah, we should look for a buy. But I told you guys that I'm not going to buy it because I don't trust this zone, because I was thinking that gold will come to this before we see the move. So I don't have faith on this setup here. That's why I didn't, as in, told you guys that 100% I'm buying here. No, I was kind of contemplating what if I'm going to buy there or not. But look at what happened. It's somehow what I was trying to imagine still happened, because if you bought gold here, if you didn't set your stop loss, if you put your stop loss very tight here, this candle take you out and turn back. So they kind of use this low as a liquidity grab, unless if your stop was somewhere here, that's the only way we survive it. Apart from it, you will not survive it. So if any of you took this buy, definitely if you put your stop loss close here, it will take you out. But if you give it a little space, it will not take you out. So this buy kind of have a manipulation on it. So, but I later took a buy when this candle drop and take this low. Then I saw it as a liquidity grab. So I believe that the market is going to move. Then I entered buy from here. When this particular candle take out this high, that's when I took a buy, and this particular candle rejected. I took a buy, and it went to like 1 to 2 here, because the stop should be here. This is the entry here. Long, the entry will be here, and the stop will be on this. So if you shake it, it went to 1 to 2. Or no, it's what 1 to 1, 1.97%, almost 1 to 2 before this drop started. But I was even thinking of getting 1 to 4. Yeah, that was what I was targeting, 1 to 4. So when this thing gave me 1 to 2, it came back. I didn't move my sort, my entry point. I didn't close. So when market gap when this gap happened, it took me out. Even it took me out more than what I planned to lose. it took me out times two of what I planned to lose. Yeah, I lost money because when it was there, one to almost 1 to 2, I didn't move my stop. I didn't close. I just left it there. Then I lost the trade, but I recovered it from this sell because here, mark this go did a change of character here. That on Friday did a change of character here. So I didn't what is it called? Close this buy. I left the buy. Then after the change of character, I saw this market bought, then did a higher high, lower low, and higher low. Then take out this lower low the same Friday and giving us a new low with, but as in, it's not that this is the real low here because of you are looking at this shadow. This is the low, but this market broke here. Then this particular candle, I sold good here, and my stop was here. So and the buy see on, so it's kind of now I'm hedging. I was still on buy and I still so good. So when this thing dropped this morning and the buy caught my stop loss, but I recovered the money with the profit on this drop. I recovered it because my entry was somewhere here. My entry was somewhere here. So this thing went down like my entry was somewhere here and Oregon 1 to 4. So I made what I lost because this one dropped to 1 to 4, 200 and something pips, and my stop loss was like 50 pips. It's not up to even 50 pips, and this have dropped like 1 to 4. So I recovered what I lost there with the profit. So that's how this trade played out. You guys know that this is almost as always my entry. I always took a trade whenever I see this pattern. You guys know it. I always took a trade or this change of character. I always take a trade. As in, according to the market direction, I always take a trade when I see this pattern. So this is what I'm looking at today. Now, this is a daily, this two line you're seeing here is a daily support. So that's why I closed my trade when it was somewhere here. I know that we're on a daily support and this gold can easily start buying and take out this high and take out even an all-time high if it's going to continue buying because we're on a daily support. So for me to look for a buy again, if this go take out this high and come back to it, I don't know if I will see any other support here I will use as my entry, but if something like this happened, I will take a buy from here. Then I believe that we will take out this high. So I will also look for 1 to 4 or 1 to 2 if you wish. But I believe that we will take out this high. So 1 to 4, 1 to 2, anyone you can, you take. Strategy is working. So that's the first confirmation for buy. And another confirmation for buy or another pattern I will look at for is this. If I see something like this. Okay, take out. This is the low. This so if I see lower low, higher high, and higher low, then let market come back to take out. Let market take out the higher high, then come back to retest it, which is here. Then I'll take a buy here. And sitting, I'm saying I will still target like 1 to 4. I know there is bearish engulfing here that this market might, if gold is going to continue selling, whatever make the market get to here, it might pull it down because there is bearish engulfing here, but I don't know what it is. If you drop it, fine, I lost the trade, but this is daily support, and you know what it is. Daily, as daily always play out than whatever 1 hour time frame is doing. So daily support will always counter any support or resistance that is on 1 hour time frame. If the trend is going to continue, as in if you are an uptrend and the uptrend want to continue, definitely you see counter whatever 1 hour is doing. But if the trend have changed, then 1 hour support or resistance might respect. So that's the second pattern for a buy. And there is no other pattern here for a buy. These two patterns now I just gave you guys is what I'll be looking at for a buy. Then for a sell, if I can see something like this, go still buy and maybe drop and take out this. Let me this candle close on buy. Let's say another buy candlestick close, then go come back to take out this low, then respect the low, as in come back to reject on the low, then think I will sell go somewhere here. So you can also see the pattern. Then that's the pattern I will be looking at for to use for a sell. Yeah, this is one buy candle already, and this candle is selling. If this candle broke here, break here, close below here, it might be okay to sell, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it to sell this. It will be okay to use for a sell. If you guys can try, then if you see something like this just there, you can use it for a sell. But I don't know yet. I might still look into it if I'm going to use it for a sell or not. The reason why I'm saying is that because of this daily support right here, because if you look at daily now, it will look as if it's breaking it, but it might end up rejecting before today close. Nobody knows. But let's see how this candle will end up close. If you break here, I might think of selling, but it's not that E1 setup. So I'm not really in a rush to take the sell, so I might not take it. But let's just see how it will play out. But the major setup I'm looking at here is if I can see more buy candle here, then come back to take out this, then I will look for a sell. That's A1 setup I would look out for. So that is it for today. Let's see how this analysis will play out. Stay safe and God bless.